Ano name ng grupo?
Jefferson and Kurt po.
Magkapatid kayo?
Opo.
From?
From Bansalan po, Davao del Sur.
Kurt, ano nangyari sa'yo? Were you born a paraplegic or na-aksidente?
Cancer of the bone po, ma'am. 16 years old nung nag-basketball kami. And then pagka 19 years old, doon na talaga. May bukol na tumubo dito sa left leg niya. Masakit daw. 2006 po nung nalaman namin na may cancer of the bone po ang kapatid ko.
And you survived.
Stage.
So, stage ano?
Stage 4.
Tapos inamputate.
Opo.
Kailan nangyari yan?
I was 19 years
Ilan taon ka na ngayon?
Magti-25 na po.
Pero okay na.
Continuous pa rin po ang medication ko.
Pero nung inamputate, hindi naman nag-spread.
Nag-spread po kaya po nga tinagalan lang ako ng 1 month to live ng doktor.
Oh, umabot saan na?
Lungs, liver, lahat na. Miracle po.
Miracle talaga. No, that's really true because
Both.
stage 4, especially when it hits the liver already, mabilis talaga yan. And up to the lungs, the fact that you're alive, it's really a miracle.
Opo.
Oh, sige, Jefferson and Kurt, good luck. Go.
Here we are again. I guess it must be fate. We've tried it on our own, but deep inside we know we'd be back to setting straight. This was so brand new. Every memory repeats. Every step I take retreats. Every journey always brings me back to you. And after all the sunshine, keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be. Whoever you need after all. Love is truly right. Signs truly right. It's from here to here. It changes as it goes, on the way it goes, but it never disappears. And after all the stuff inside, keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be. Wherever you need, after all the stuff inside, keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be. Wherever you need after all. I guess it's meant to be. Wherever you need after all.
Okay, Jefferson, meron kang ni-love before. What happened?
Nagdasal ako kay Lord na sana maging akin siya, pero
Ay,
nung nagkasakit ang kapatid ko,
sinabi
sabi ko
mo.
kay Lord na, Lord, kahit hindi mo na siya ibinigay, buhayin mo lang ang kapatid ko.
Si binuhay naman, bait ni God.
Thank you, Lord.
Kasi, di ba, yung katotohanan naman dyan, marami kang pwedeng maging girlfriend, pero siya lang ang kapatid mo.
Aba.
I think he made the right decision, yeah?
Yeah, and buhay siya. Oo.
Buhay na buhay.
Mabait siya. Ikaw may girlfriend ka? Why not? Ang cute-cute mo. Wala.
Try ako, pero
Hi.
ewan, siguro kasi
No.
Huwag mo isipin yun. Darating at darating yun sa tamang oras mo at sa tamang oras ng Diyos.
Yes. And you both have talent, ah. Ako, it's very inspiring, and yung kinuwento mo talaga, it's a miracle you're alive. God is very good. Kaya niyo yung Tagalog?
At yayakapin kita na walang hanggan. Umusman ang ulan na walang hanggan. Umusman ang ulan.
Bongga! Hey, boss. Jefferson and Kurt, magiging stars kayo. Sisikat kayo talaga.
salamat po. Salamat.
Ako naman yung boses niyo parang nai-imagine ko. Parang kung sakasakali sa bawat date ko, gusto ko nandun kayo sa background, kinakantahan niyo lang kami. Sa'yo naman bro, ako gusto ko lang magpasalamat. Kasi minsan, we take things for granted.
Correct.
Iniisip na natin na napakabigat na ng problema natin. Pero di natin naiisip na merong taong mas mabigat pa ang pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Yet ikaw, kahit mas mabigat ang iyong pinagdadaanan kumpara sa akin, nandito ka pa rin at nagpapasaya ng tao. Kaya mula sa akin bro, salamat sa'yo.
Let's vote. Boss.
Yeah, I think you did very well. Your blending of the voices are
Nice.
fantastic. Your guitar playing was good. It's a yes for me. Yeah.
Thank you po. It's definitely a yes.
Jefferson and Kurt, it's a yes. Congratulations.
Thank you.
They're really good.
Super good.
God bless you and many more miracles and blessings to come sa buhay niyo. Congratulations.